Just ask Rafie Shouhed, a 79-year-old U.S. citizen who owns a car wash in Van Nuys, California.
Actually, the whole thing started from here. As I was coming to go toward my office, which is right over here, and the moment I got here, one of those gentlemen, or what can I say, the icemen, or whoever they are, attacked me and threw me on the floor here. Really hit me really hard, like you see it on the football field.
Did you know that he was an immigration authority?
No,
or?
I didn't know. I was just coming to go to my office. As I was trying to open the door here, and he attacked me, he threw me right on the ground over here. And then he just stepped over me and he went outside, you know. And then I followed him, tried to see what has happened, who they are, what they want. I said, what can I do? Boom, I was gone. That's all it took, maybe half a second. What can I, boom. 3 of them were sitting on me and putting my head down. I didn't try to grab him, I didn't try to fight with him, I didn't try to do nothing.
From the position of the immigration authority, did you pose a threat to them?
No, sir. When the police comes here, you know, they treat you with respect. They don't just throw you down and take you to jail.
Did they say anything to you?
No. But when I was over here and they were throwing me down, they were just telling, don't with the ICE. Don't with the ICE.
Shouhed was arrested and taken to the Metropolitan Detention Center in downtown Los Angeles. He says authorities verified his citizenship and then held him for around 11 hours before letting him go. In a statement to CNN, DHS wrote, on September 9th, U.S. Border Patrol conducted a targeted immigration enforcement operation in Van Nuys, California, that resulted in the arrest of 5 illegal aliens. The owner of Valley Car Wash, a U.S. citizen, impeded the operation and was arrested for assaulting and impeding a federal officer. Shouhed was never charged.
They have no right to do that to me. I haven't done anything. I didn't do anything wrong. You come into my property, you come into my home, and, you know, just arrest me and take me away. That's not right. I don't think so.
We are looking at these images on your surveillance cameras in the hindsight, and we can see, you're an older gentleman, you're a U.S. citizen. We know that now, but in the moment, they didn't know that.
Well, they should have went and asked who you are, what you're doing here, you know? I'm here, this is my name, this is my paper, this is my ID. I own the place. No, sir. Boom, boom, boom.
Now, the law is clear. If you believe someone is even a suspect of a crime, you cannot just run up to them and tackle them if you believe that they ought to be arrested.
Let me push you a little bit on that interaction in the hallway, because from the surveillance footage that I've seen and that you guys have released, it could be interpreted that Mr. Shouhed is running towards the officer, and that in running towards the officer, that would pose that officer a threat.
The officer comes into physical contact with him first. This man is armed to the teeth. Mr. Shouhed's not going to attack that person. Officers are trained in de-escalation techniques to speak to the person, to let them know that they need to give them commands. These ICE agents, DHS agents, Custom and Border Patrol, they're not giving commands to people. They are being brutal first, taking people down and then blaming them for their brutality.